Good morning, traders. I just want to go over my hypo for CPI day. I would like to see us trade in to this 50% of this fair value gap on the daily chart. Okay. And once we get there, I think they will use the big number to drive it down here. And that's going to be releasing here in about 45 minutes. I think they'll drive it down here. And then we will come up into this area. This is 25% of a fair value gap on the weekly chart. That's 50%. I would love to see it get all the way up there, but at least back to settlement. If we can come down here after the big number, we're going to be opening with a gap down. So I'm going to be looking for a gap fill back to settlement. And that'll be a nice trade. Simultaneously, I've been noticing as this is going up, gold has been falling like a rock. Let's look at the daily on gold. Well, maybe we're on it. No, there we go. So while the indexes are going up, gold has been falling out of bed over here. And so I'm thinking about taking a short. We got equal highs on the gold chart right here. I'm thinking about taking a short and kind of doing like an inverse deal here. We did take out this low last night, but we left another one that's on the 4 hour. We could possibly trade all the way down to the top of that fair value gap on the daily, or maybe I don't see it going much further than that right there. But low hanging fruit, I think we take this one out. But if we could get all the way down to 3,100, that would be fantastic. So those are my two trade setups for the day. I'm going to be watching real close when that big number comes out, because if this hypo pans out, it's going to be a pretty good day. I've been singing that. I think it's Black Eyed Peas that say that song. Got a feeling that today's going to be a good day. And we'll just see what happens from here on out. Love each and every one of you. Remember to be kind to yourself. Let's make some money today.